Alright, so my Tesla is making a clicking noise. Sunday, Super Bowl day. Just about 3 o'clock. And that's the noise. It seems to be coming from here, somewhere.